Keto 101 Quick Tips to Start Your Ketogenic Journey. Keto Basics, thinking about starting a ketogenic diet. It can be a great way to shed excess weight, increase energy, and enhance mental clarity. Here are some quick tips to help you begin. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to keto success. Understand the basics, focus on high fats, moderate proteins, and very low carbs. This dietary approach shifts your body's primary energy source from carbohydrates to fats, putting you in a state known as ketosis. Aim for around 70% fats, 25% proteins, and 5% carbs in your daily intake. This ratio helps your body transition smoothly into ketosis and supports your energy needs. Meal prep. Plan your meals ahead of time by selecting recipes that suit your taste buds and align with the ketogenic guidelines. Batch cooking and storing meals in advance also ensures you have easy access to keto-friendly options throughout the week. This will help you avoid tempting carb-loaded options and stay on track. Meal prep minimizes spontaneous eating, which can often lead to consuming hidden carbs. Monitor your progress. Keep a journal of your meals and how you feel while on the keto diet. Documenting your journey can provide insight into what works best for you and highlight any areas that may need adjustment. This will help you stay motivated and adjust as needed. Monitoring your progress with regular weigh-ins and measurements can further boost your motivation. Stay hydrated and supplement wisely. Drinking water is crucial on a ketogenic diet to help manage the initial water and electrolyte loss. Consider adding supplements like magnesium, potassium, and sodium to support your body's balance and prevent keto flu. With these tips, you're ready to embark on your keto journey. Remember, persistence is key and results may take a few weeks to manifest fully. Want to learn more about keto? Stay tuned for more tips and expert advice.